Viewing audio waveforms. So here I'm in my source monitor looking at a clip. If I come over here and click on this drag only, audio only button, so I'll click on that, I get the audio waveforms for this whole clip. All right. Now, if I come down here and put back onto video again, it goes back to show me the video. If I come down here in my project panel and I double click on this audio file, you'll notice this is just purely an audio file. And if you notice down here, it's actually at 44,100 megahertz. So in reality, this was sampled at 48,000 times per second. But since they compressed it, it went down to 44,100 times per second. So if we zoomed in on each second, we'd see these different samplings. So I can just kind of scrub over to any place I want here, all right? And I could play it. And I can actually come up here and double click and go, and I can play up here too. And so we're able to see right into our waveforms here. And on top we have our left, and on the bottom we have our right. We can actually come in here and drag this if you like, resize those if you need to, and so that we can see each track a little differently. So this is showing us our audio waveforms over here in our source monitor.